Hello guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. My 15-year-old daughter is in Marians court and doesn't want to wear pants to school. Nigerian singer Naija tags his fan base Marians, and because he does a lot of things that the society condemns, his followers have now manipulated the fan base to carry out all the worst activities you can ever imagine. A Facebook user, Adebi Gabriel Olajide Maxine, shared this story that highlights the influence of Naija and his gang on his daughter. Another deadly virus is in the society, being a Marian. Did Naija initiate anyone into a cult? I am just coming from my daughter's school right now. The principal called me around 9 a.m. this morning to report to school over an emergency. I panicked and drove over, only to be told that my 15-year-old daughter and most of the girls from her class and other senior secondary classes are to be suspended for being members of the female secret cult. There were about 25 to 30 girls all kneeling down with their hands up. I was shocked and I asked for further explanations, and the head teacher said that a teacher who was disciplining late comers found out that one of the girls had her pants inside her school bag, and on further investigation, it was discovered that she wasn't wearing any on her waist. When she was flogged and interrogated further to know why and how she was not wearing her pants, she confessed that she was a member of a Marlians cult in school and that part of their rules was that they were not to wear pants to school on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. I was shocked. The head teacher told me that she was flogged some more until she mentioned all their members from SS1 to SS3, and unfortunately my daughter, who is a born-again child of Zion, was involved. Laila, the devil has succeeded, and my daughter has entered court. I was handed her letter of 2 weeks suspension, and shame nearly killed me. The daughter of an elder and deaconess. I battled hard to hold my tears. I had to bring her home right, and God in heaven knows that I will beat the manual court out of her today, and her father will finish the work when he comes home this night. I won't spare her, else the devil wins. The Bible was clear on the issue of sparing the rod. I have never subscribed to flogging, but I have just given up. I checked her vagina and her hymen is still intact, so I don't understand why she has to leave the house wearing pants, only to remove it on getting to school. Because initially I was afraid that she may have been violated or maybe having sex with the cult members or something like that. I honestly don't understand why this girl has decided to disgrace her family like this. Worse is that children of some of our church members also attend the same school and witness the show of shame. I banned Naija songs or clothes in my house. Little did I know that his cult has also gone into schools to defile our young ones. I rather die than have a child of mine become a reproach to the kingdom of God. Wow, guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below.